The Norwich child killer, Natasha Allarakhia, has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for killing 2 English schoolkids by colliding with a stationary vehicle while under the influence of alcohol and driving at 96 miles per hour, 154 kilometers per hour. On the 20th of June of the previous year, Natasha Allarakhia, 36, was exceeding the speed limit in her Audi Q2 on the A17 at North Rauceby, Lincolnshire, when she failed to observe a Ford Fiesta that had halted at temporary traffic signals. William Ray, 17, the driver of the Fiesta, and passenger Eddie Shaw, 18, both perished. A second passenger, Jack Prince, 17, sustained life-altering injuries. Natasha Allarakhia, residing on Turner Crescent in Norwich, had already entered a guilty plea for causing death by hazardous driving and inflicting serious injury. David Eager, prosecuting, informed Lincoln Crown Court that William was stationary at the traffic signals when Natasha Allarakhia collided with the rear of his Fiesta at around 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour. Data from the 2 vehicles indicated that Natasha Allarakhia did not release the accelerator until about 2 seconds before the collision and was only 121 feet, 37 meters, away from the Fiesta when her brakes were momentarily engaged. Mr. Eager informed the court, she was not only driving at 96 miles per hour, but she was also not consistently attentive. During part of the journey she was drinking from a can of alcohol, literally drinking and driving. The court was told Natasha Allarakhia laughed when she passed a roadside breath test despite her own 2 daughters, aged 7 and 12, being in the car with her. All 4 occupants of the Fiesta were taken to Queen's Medical Centre in Nottingham, where William and Eddie later died from their head injuries. The court heard Natasha Allarakhia had 5 previous convictions for 12 offences, including a bad driving record. Natasha Allarakhia was also made the subject of just a 12-and-a-half-year driving ban and must take an extended retest before she can ever drive again.